Ignoring your EGIAR system is a fast track to engine overheating and a guaranteed fail on your next smog check. When your car triggers a code P0405, it is reporting that the exhaust gas recirculation sensor I circuit has an unusually low voltage reading. This system is critical because it takes a small, measured amount of exhaust gas and cycles it back into the combustion chambers. Because exhaust is an inert gas, it displaces some of the oxygen and lowers the combustion temperature, which is exactly how your engine reduces nitrogen oxide emissions. The powertrain control module uses a feedback circuit to watch the exact position of the valve pintle to ensure it is moving exactly where it is told to go. If the voltage on that feedback circuit drops too low, the computer assumes there is a short or a mechanical failure. You might not notice any major changes in how the car drives, but your check engine light will stay on, and you might experience some slight pinging or knocking under heavy loads. The most common causes are a short to ground in the signal wire, a completely failed EGIAR valve, or even just old wiring that has chafed against the engine block. Sometimes, thick carbon deposits or road debris can get lodged inside the valve and keep it from moving correctly. To troubleshoot this, you can use a scan tool to manually command the valve to open while the engine is running. If it does not respond, unplug the electrical connector and use a voltmeter to check for a steady 5-volt reference signal from the computer with the key on and the engine off. If you have the 5 volts but the valve is still dead, you can try jumping the 5-volt reference to the signal circuit to see if the scan tool reads 100%. If the wiring checks out and the signal reaches the computer, then the valve itself is likely faulty and needs to be replaced. Make sure to check the terminal tension in the connector as well because loose pins can cause intermittent low-voltage signals. If the light stays on after you have cleaned the carbon out and checked the wires, it is best to see a professional mechanic to prevent long-term engine damage from the excessive heat of a non-functioning recirculation system.